Today we're going to be doing a 15-minute oil change. We're going to start off with full synthetic motor oil by Mobil 1, a good quality oil. Then we have our filter for our vehicle. It's a V6 4Runner. So we have the proper filter. Then we have a drain container with a strainer on top to catch the nut when we drain our oil system. First of all, we're going to go underneath the vehicle, put this pan under there, loosen up our drain plug, let the oil flow freely. We're going to go up to the top, open the fill cap and let the air go down and all the oil will drain out. Then we'll remove our filter. It's always important to put new oil on the seal and on the thread of the filter before you install it, not to tear the seal. Then we'll go ahead and put our drain plug back in, go up, put our 5.5 quarts of motor oil in, check our dipstick, make sure our level is okay, and then that's it. Be finished with our 15-minute oil change. So stick around and we'll show you the process. Thanks for watching the 15-minute oil change. Don't forget, use a quality full synthetic motor oil. Use a quality filter to remove all contaminants from your motor oil. Thanks for watching.